Well, howdy, partner. I'm Jesse James, or the Unblocked Carver, and I'm working on this piece that tells a bit of a story. For the last 2.5 months, I've been exploring the desert, the Mojave and the Sonoran deserts, and right now I'm in Arizona, and I saw some landscapes that looked quite a bit like this. And so I've taken this piece of red cedar that I actually got from a friend of Jordan Peterson's, Charles Joseph. He's a First Nations traditional carver on the west coast of Canada, from the Kwakwaka'wakw people. And his cousin was on his property on Vancouver Island working on some large masks. And he cut off this piece of red cedar for me to do a landscape carving on. So it's not finished. I'm going to add a lot more detail to the face and to the foreground here. There's a prickly pear cactus coming into being. I'm at the point now where I have to be really careful not to go all the way through or mess up the details and have to bring everything further back. You know, I want lots of depth. I want the foreground to pop out. So I'm writing a newsletter called The Unblocked Carver, and in that, in the 5th issue, which will be out, let's say maybe in a week or so, it'll be a story about how I became friends with Charles Joseph, what he taught me about overcoming turmoil, tragedy even. He's faced a lot in his life, and the role of art in doing so, and cultivating creative power. And so I'll tell the story about my friendship with him. I'll tell the story about this trip I've been on, and this piece here that soon will be done. And along with that newsletter, there will be photos of this finished piece. So stay tuned.